it's Sheung Okimi and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a really exciting video, and as you can see I have a guest in the background and to my side. This is the one and only Nimi. This beautiful person is here, and right now in today's video we're gonna be going to a market and trying out some Lagos street food. So that would be really fun to show you guys like the types of options you can get, and yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me and let's go.
Zongo boys love mama, so no wahala. If you know like mama, go ask your papa. Adia show your mama. Too sweet, mama. Adia Gaza girl, mama. Gaza Hindu, mama. Building cannabis, mama. Oba freaky show your mama. Say what get rich, mama. Ruling Adia Nick, mama. Gaza girls, come show them a bit badness. If them try to violate, we put them to silence. Show them do how, don't be shuperu. Show them do how, don't be scale. Now show yo, mama, mama, mama.
Okay.
Gaza girls, come show them.
Kuli kuli. It's peanut butter, fried peanut butter.
Show them wow, don't be stupid. Show them wow, don't be scared. Now show you. Mama, 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 mama,
They want promotive. Don't want to get promotion. Oh yeah. Carry that egg. Do as if you did. Yeah.
Okay. And maybe you can get it from this angle, him looking like this. You look so cute. I wanna get you. I wanna get you.
Make you follow me, go to flex. And
we're gonna eat it right here.
Who's gonna make this?
No.
Make we do that like this.
Let's try it. Okay. Let's get one.
What's your name?
Sheung.
Yoruba.
It's sweet. It's good.
Oh yeah, give me love. Burn up in my love, baby. Halima, give me love. Burn up in my love, baby. Oh yeah, give me love. Burn up in my love, baby. Jama, give me love. Burn up in my love, baby. Oh yeah, give me love. Burn up in my love, baby. Zima, give me love. Burn up in my love. Yes, James, I'm big up. Every day forward, big up. Give me love. Burn up in my love, baby. I don't know me be anywhere rising. Me can give you money, cover reason. Make you follow me, go to flexing. I know you go like the grilled chicken.
Baby, do me like this, and do you like this? Don't follow you, make we they do them like this. Yeah.
So, like I was saying, like,
but no be my love, baby. Halima, give me love. But no be my love, baby. Oh yeah, give me love. But no be my love, baby. Chama, give me love.
This is chicken. This is yam.
Yeah.
This is potato.
Okay. Fried yam.
Fried yam, yes.
Yam. Okay. So
Yam is 30 naira.
10 naira.
Chicken is 100 naira.
100.
This one is 500. This one is 500.
Okay. Do you want?
yeah, I'll take one small.
One small one. Put that for nylon. You know they hear English, Abi? Put one small one for nylon. Small one. Ah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Just that.
And also, what makes it this color? I feel like there are questions to ask. But I don't know.
Okay, like,
yeah.
so what makes it this color? What type of
Hunger.
Okay.
It's good and change.
But
Yes. Okay.
I'm not sure if anybody, the chicken is actually
Okay.
tasty. Like
Yes.
not by the soft of yeah.
I don't want to. That's beef. This is ponmo. This is cow skin.
Yeah.
Cow skin. This one is just chicken, and this one is fried fish. So we're gonna take one. I think he said he wanted one, and then one small beef, and we'll also try. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. Nothing holding it.
Just one. Yes.
It looks nice. That's why.
That's 150.
How much is it? 50.
Like this one, is it chocolate and okay. Strawberry flavor.
Okay, I'll just take one for 50 naira.
Alright, thank you.
That's fine.
So me and Nimi just finished going around the market. We got so many good foods.
Actually,
We got some. What are the foods that we got? We got
chicken.
we got chicken,
We got cow skin.
cow skin,
Beef.
and
quinoa,
yes,
egg rolls.
egg rolls,
Mixed pie.
Yes, meat pie.
Pork.
Yes.
Right, yeah.
So many things. All in this. Yeah, popcorn. All in this one space. One thing that they weren't doing though is suya. So now we're going to drive and maybe we'll see it as we're stopping along the road. That's like the main. Yeah, so we're gonna try and see if we can still find that. Hopefully we can still find that. But yes, let's go.
Are you sure that one is okay?
Yeah, one is okay. Is this true? My mom told me that it's called suya because whenever you eat it, your mouth goes, yeah, because it's so spicy. Yeah. So it's called suya because of that. Yeah, this is actually one of the best suya I've tasted.
Wow.
Yeah. It's actually
You really enjoyed it?
It is really good.